So I'm going to show you this really cool streaming platform called StreamYard. You can actually send us the streams that you create in StreamYard using the RTMP protocol that you've probably used with OBS and other tools that we link with. There's some really cool features in StreamYard though that you can invite guests to the stream, kind of similar to Zoom, but a lot smoother process. There's also built-in overlay functionality that you can edit your logos and kind of have banners and stuff appear on the fly. And there's some really cool scheduling functionality around setting up live events in the future. So we've had some feedback from our customers where they say, I have a lot of instructors and I don't want them to have to enter a stream key for each event. So this StreamYard actually allows you to create the events in advance and input a stream key for them automatically. And so they kind of just join the live event and set their webcam up. So let me show you how this all works. When you create an account, you're going to see a broadcast and destination section. So we would go to destinations, and what we would actually do, we'd go into our admin section in Uscreen. And then for each live event that I've created in the future, I'm going to, actually, I'll just create another one here, right here. I'll set this for the 20th at 7:15 p.m. And as you know, each live event has its own unique stream key. So we're going to need to grab this stream key back into StreamYard. We're going to go add destination. We're going to choose custom RTMP. And then we're going to paste that in. Make sure we grab our stream URL. And then our nickname for this should be typically what the event is. And I would actually also put in the date that you've scheduled that for. So May 20th. So let's add it. So then how it works is that you would also then create a broadcast on behalf of your instructors, and you would see the ones that you've, your kind of options here for where you're going to send this to, the destination. So we'll select that one we just created. And again, I'm going to call this very similar to what I would want my instructors to see on this page. So it's clear to them which streams are theirs and which streams are other people's. You can put their name in it and everything. And it's going to grab my webcam, which is really easy. I'm going to enter the broadcast studio and I'm going to add myself. Let's consider this the canvas. I'm going to add myself to it so that I am now part of the stream. And let's try something here. I'm going to invite a colleague. Let's just go Gmail. Okay, so I sent a message to Morgan there to join us whenever she can. But let me show you some stuff in the meantime. So there's some cool stuff where you can like have banners appear, really nice overlays. You can create these in advance, of course, and then people can turn them on or off just with this click of a button. It's really awesome. And then there's some other kind of cool stuff with the overlays, and like you can have a basic one up here with maybe the title of the stream, some really cool stuff here. And of course I put my own logo up here, which can be swapped out at will. And you can actually save these entire, the blocks, I guess, let's call it the customization you've done. You can save it, and I guess we'll call it a brand, and then you can reuse these through different streams. So if you had a brand specific to an instructor that maybe showed a short little bio about them or their kind of photo in the corner, that would be a really cool way to do this. So yeah, the other thing is as you invite people, you can chat with them privately if you have multiple people up, and this isn't seen by your guests at all. You'll notice there is a comment section here, but this is a little different. If I was connected to Facebook or something, this is how I would do that. And okay, so actually Morgan was able to join here. And so one of the cool things I'll actually add her to the stream, and you can actually see that there's now a split screen broadcast going on here. And I don't know if Morgan can hear me. Can you hear me, Morgan? Awesome. Awesome. Okay, and then I can hear Morgan here, which is great. So yeah, as you're looking through StreamYard here, there's lots of different options here. And if I got more people in, I can kind of change the layout of the broadcast as well. So yeah, really awesome stuff. Thanks for joining, Morgan. We're kind of showing off the features here of StreamYard. It's a really cool tool. So hopefully that gives everyone a really good idea of some of what's possible. And thanks for checking things out.